This is T1N Sprinter, and this is my quick overview experience getting rid of that rumble strip noise, shudder, vibration while decelerating. First, what I did was the full transmission service. Drained the old fluid, replaced it with the fresh MB 236.14, then took out the metal plate off the valve body and drilled 0.055 centimeters, the small hole on the left side. Then put it all back together. The results are instant. Easy work, doesn't take too much of your time, and very impressed after all. And if this video was helpful to you and you want more like this, give it a thumbs up and share your experience in the comments below. Thank you.